Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. So on today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can make the scrolling video effect on InShot. So this technique is essential for creating a dynamic video collage or maybe epic travel edits and those cool vertical scrolling videos. So here I'm already open InShot. Now you can start by click on the video options and click on the new. Here I'm going to use a black background first. Sorry, I think I'm going to just add this paper background. Hit on a check icon. And now you need to change the canvas into 9 by 16 if it is still on other size. And then here you can just add 3 videos. So click on a PIP and then add the first videos right here. Adjust the positions. So I'm going to make it, adjust it into fit and put it on top like this. Then add the second video. Okay, so position all videos like this. So here I'm creating 2 videos like this with a 3-layer canvas, and then you can just click on export and export these videos. So you need to at least have 2 videos like this. Now let's create a new project. Click on a video and add the first video collage, this one. So this is the first one. Now you can just add keyframe at the start and at the end of the video and move it up like this. Okay, after this you can just click on the PIP and add the second video, make it full screen, go to the end of the clip. Let me trim it first. Add keyframes in here, and at the beginning in here you can put the video down like this. Now click on a check icon and let's preview the result. So you'll have this scrolling video effects on your videos. If you want to add more videos, you can do it and just repeat the same steps like I do. So guys, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also, click on the thanks button below. I'll catch you all on the next tutorials. Bye!